This is really good. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, so do a little promo here. This is really cool. Tammy, also known as Artemis Caliente, is here tonight. And so this was the original guitar that was made during COVID for me from this builder who this is his last build. This was the first one, the prototype. And I've traveled the world with this and I spent a whole year in the Czech Republic, and the sound of these guitars are incredible. Doug McDowell from Canada made this, and then Tammy over here heard it and decided she wanted to have one of these. It's 2 and 2. It's like a 12-string, but this is actually modeled after the Trey, which is a very popular, or you can say Tres or Trey out of Cuba, which started the whole cigar box guitar movement. And it's really cool that you had this guitar made and wanted this guitar, because it's just got a special sound of these cigar box guitars. So really cool. I think we're in E.
Yeah.
So young Marcus James here is related to Elmore James, great blues man. Elmore James. So it also happens, Marcus, that you're also related to a young man by the name of Homesick James. Yes, and Homesick James was one of my mentors when I was a kid. my Tommy on. I believe my Tommy long. Oh, put him in the morning. I believe I just my broom. Sunday Blues Brunch. Marcus James, Michael Dempsey. My name is Steve Arvey, playing another Doug McDowell. And the really cool thing about it, I brought that guitar down to Australia, and the guys were just like so impressed. It's just a nut, you know, because everybody's, you know, it keeps everything in the, not a nut, it's a screw, you know, and it just keeps. So this is really cool. It's an honor to play this guitar, and Doug McDowell's been a good friend of mine, building guitars for years.